you each marry a tree. Yeah, yeah, but it's like a real connection, like a bond that you create. Yeah. I want you to imagine your favorite tree, wherever that might be in the world, and with your eyes closed, just breathe, and through the synchronic lines here, feel your connection to that tree, and just become that tree. Feel as if you are that tree, and on your next breath in, breathe up prana from the core of the earth, in through your roots, into your trunk, into your little tree heart.
The sky represented on the ceiling, seen from here on a summer night of 22,000 years ago. We also have the stars. So now, if you look up, you see the landscape changes and you can see the stars. So this is not just a map of a place, it's also a map of time. 22,000 years ago, we believe was an important time in which human consciousness on this planet reached a high peak. So this is why we're representing it here, to create this connection. Specifically, it was a time connected to the civilization of Atlantis.
Damanhur people have worked so hard to build the temples, and Falco always said, remember, he repeated over and over, remember, you're not doing this for you. So we are very aware that Damanhur is not like ours. The Damanhur and the temples have been created for the whole of humanity, and not just humanity in the physical sense, us anthropos, but it's really all of life as it's expressed on this planet.